Hello everybody, I finally finished my face picker for the character creator control rig and I'm showing it now, so this will serve like as a small tutorial. So here's what I have. I'm gonna run the editor widget and this is what I came up with. I've hacked the original picker and I've changed the position of the buttons and I've also color coded it so that it's easy to understand. Don't be scared by the amount of buttons. I'm sure they will make sense over time. One of my preferred things in this picker is that I've managed to add buttons to select multiple controls. So for example, if I want to select, let me just select her face. So if I want to select these funnel, all I do is pick this and I can just, I don't have to select one by one, which is pretty handy. And if I want to zero them out, all I want to do is like put 0 there. So all the yellow buttons, they are buttons to pick multiple controls. And the other thing that I did, I've tried my best to put like tooltips on them. The main reason for me to do this picker is that I always find it annoying if I want to go in this faceboard and I want to pick some control X and I accidentally will select the faceboard for some reason, or these, whatever. The other thing obviously that you can do is have another window and control the faceboard through that window. That also works, but for example right here I wanted to select the mouth and for some reason it selected some other thing. Here I am sure that I can select the mouth or the jaw. I can go here. Okay, I've tried my best also to put all the main controls, even these ones, onto this picker. And so yeah, I hope it's useful for someone. So now I would like to show you the graph, and for that I go to edit, just move this here. It took me a bit of time to understand how this works, but I think I finally got the hang of it. In case you need to add some buttons, all you need to do is you can just duplicate one of these buttons. For example, if you want to create some other button, you can duplicate this button. You add a name here. It has to be a unique name, and then once you add a name, you click here on clicked and it will take you to the graph and it will create a button similar to this, and you can just copy, like duplicate these controls like this, and then you add that on clicked here and then connect it here. And yeah, that's basically it. If you want to select, or if you want to create a button for select all, you have to do basically the same thing, but with the difference that now you have to add a make array node and then add a select all node here. For example, this is the node to click the browse raise out all, so it will select both of these. In this case, if I click this, it will select this, as I told you. And let's try test it out. So this is browse raise out. I can do run utility, and browse raise out is this one. So if I go here, I click this, and you will see that it will select these guys. So yeah, I hope it's useful for somebody. What I would really like to do, and I don't know how to do that yet, is I would really like to add sliders here, so that I will change these buttons to sliders and I wouldn't have to go to the faceboard. This would be very nice, but I don't know how to do that yet. Okay, bye bye.